Hi, my fellow mates. This is Coach RJ once again. This time I'm going to discuss few practical tips about water ingress alarm system. This one. This panel is water ingress alarm monitoring, and as duty officer we should know the basic operations and how this monitoring system works and how we act on it if there is a real alarm coming from this panel. Okay, water ingress alarm system. I will show you closer this panel, what you expect to see, and the basic familiarizations only, and a few practical tips on how we carry out the acknowledgement in case of real alarm that may arise in the bridge. Okay, so just stand by. Okay, my fellow mates, water ingress alarm system. Okay, basically, if you see the details on this panel, you can see these are like a diode, okay, like flicker light here showing the specific locations of the tanks, okay, or cargo hold. Here we have pre-alarm, this line, and main alarm. We have here the tank name from Four-Peak, Boson, Void Space. This vessel have 5 cargo holds, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if here, override lamp or switch, just like this. Test the alarm, okay? If all these light there are working properly, okay? Now here we have the pre-buzz. If we have pre-alarm, a setting of the pre-alarm, especially in cargo hold, we have 2 there, sensors, 1 meter and 2 meters. So if the water, flooded water is 1 meter, this pre-alarm will flicker or okay, give lights and buzzers here. You can see the audible alarm here. And when it reaches to main alarm, cargo holds, let's say 2 meters already reached this main alarm, main bus will give audible alarm. Okay, now here in Four-Peak, Boson Store and Void Space, this is what we call collision bulkheads. Aside from monitoring system here on the bridge, we have also monitoring down in the ballast control room, especially the Boson Store and Void Space, okay? Because there is also a setting of alarm. Aside from water ingress, we have high level alarm, okay? It is installed usually in the bilges of the tanks, okay? Because Boson Store have, you know, different type of dewatering system compared to Four-Peak is used for deballasting. Cargo hold number 1 and number 2, number 5 used for the stripping, We have lines and another system of dewatering if there are or if there is ingress of water inside the cargo holds. Just like when we are carry out the cargo hold cleaning. Okay, we strip the water on tank tops through bilges, and we call it stripping cargo hold. Just like that when we start dewatering system. Okay, now this is only water ingress alarm, meaning this panel serve as an alarm only to give informations to the bridge that there is an ingress of water on in specific tanks. Okay, we can investigate immediately and do the actions to avoid more accumulation of water inside, and eventually will able to help us not to endanger the vessels and the safety of the crew, because if that will happen, it has a possibility that the vessel may capsize, overload, or vessel is in danger. Okay, now at early stage as a deck officer, we need to be familiar and report immediately to the senior officers, the captain, chief officers, and raising of alarms communicated throughout the vessel, and work together as a team in order to stop or investigate first where is the cause of the ingress of water, and try our best to dewater or dewatering system works, and then until the water is controlled. All right, now here, this is very basic. Here this is dimmer only. We have default, buzzer stop, flicker stop, because it will give continuous flick and audible alarm if you are not going to push this button. Okay, and also the flicker will not stop as well. Okay, test just like this. Test the light. Okay, test the lamp only. Okay, so that's it, my fellow mates. I hope you get the idea practically how important this water ingress alarm system. Okay, now to add more, part of our monthly or regular testing of this alarm or this water ingress is by doing it on a monthly basis or as regular as possible. We have also procedures how we test these the sensors of this ingress alarm system. Okay, so that is your job. Soon you are chief officers. It is part of your practical tasks on board to maintain the condition of these water ingress sensors, okay, by having a regular tests. So that's it, my fellow mates. Thank you for watching. This is Coach RG once again. Bye.